Hi, it's Linda here, and I'm just dropping in very quickly with a tip of the day. So, this is, I'm thinking of tips that are going to make your crafting life easier, take the stress out of deciding what to do, and also keep things simple so that you can actually get things finished, which is important. There's a real sense of accomplishment when you actually finish something. So, today's tip is use punches. So these, if you have some generic style punches, these are these nice little thumb ones. Okay, generic ones, I mean things like flowers and circles and swirls. If you have a few of those in your craft bag, whatever colour that you're doing, you can make your own embellishments. So you can choose whatever colour you want, and you can make your own embellishments for your page. I'm just going to show you what I'm working, just so that you can see the idea. There you go. So I've used the scrap bits to make up my own embellishments, so they always match. It saves me money because I haven't got to go out and buy something new, and I've got it to hand because I've just been using it. So there you go, quick tip of the day. See you again soon. Bye.